Would you like to enjoy this cake? Please comment number 1. The melon processing line can be operated manually or automatically. Automated lines are often more efficient and require less labor. The CC2 original chicken cutting equipment is a great assistant in handling beef bones and difficult tasks related to meat processing. With a simple but effective design, CC2 not only saves time and effort, but also ensures accuracy and uniformity during the cutting process. With tender meat, natural sweetness, and unique flavor, chicken brings a wonderful culinary experience to everyone. Whether cooked in a soup, stir-fried, grilled, steamed, or fried, chicken always brings variety and richness to daily meals. Besides being a rich source of protein and low in fat, chicken also contains many vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for health. Let chicken make your meals more interesting and nutritious. With a variety of preparation methods and great flavor, chicken never disappoints. Imagine you are the one using a sharp blade cutting those tough pieces of meat. Do you feel excited? That image is full of strength and flexibility, a symbol of professionalism and class in the art of cooking. Every time the blade operates is a symbol of skill and sophistication, making each piece of meat delicate and even. The sharpness of the blade not only highlights the natural flavor of the meat, but also making every meal more luxurious and classy than ever. Let this image make you feel more satisfied and enjoyable at every meal. It is definitely an indelible image in your mind. With its strong and graceful appearance, the blue shark is often considered the god of the ocean, a symbol of strength and sophistication in the deep sea world. The carousel undulating under the sharp gaze of the blue shark creates a unique picture, evoking a feeling of fusion between wild power and industrial human presence. This image is more than just part of everyday life in the marine fish industry, but also a symbol of natural strength and beauty. It reminds us of the wonder and diversity of our planet and the power and wonder of the ocean. With advanced technology and automatic features, CC2 Age not only enhances productivity, but also ensures precision and uniformity in the cutting process. The CC2 Age flexible movements allow it to quickly and accurately process each part of the pork, from the belly to the shoulder and wings, without damaging or creating unevenness. The image of each pig bone moving on a conveyor belt is a powerful and impressive sight, giving you a new perspective on the food production process. Conveyor belts are not only a part of the production. Thank you for being a part of this enlightening exploration of industrial food machinery. Your presence and engagement are what make our community thrive. If you found this video insightful, please show your support by liking and commenting below. Stay tuned for more enriching content in our upcoming Go Tech videos. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next episode.